Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into some fun facts about our feline friends. Fact number 5 is the amazing one, so make sure you don't miss a single fact. Before we begin, we kindly ask for your support. If this video or these remarkable facts about our furry feline friends have made you smile or piqued your interest, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leaving a thoughtful comment. Thank you. Let's start. Fact 1. The oldest pet cat lived 9,500 years ago. Archaeologists discovered a cat grave in Cyprus from 9,500 years ago, proving cats were pets long before ancient Egypt. Fact 2. Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. Yes, cats love their naps. They sleep about 13 to 16 hours a day, which is nearly 70% of their lifetime. Fact 3. A cat was the mayor of an Alaskan town. A cat named Stubbs ruled Talkeetna, Alaska, for 20 years as mayor. No legislative power, but plenty of cuddles. Fact 4. The longest cat in the world measured 48.5 inches. Stewie, a Maine Coon, holds the record for the longest cat at an incredible 48.5 inches.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.
Fact 5. The richest cat inherited £7 million. When Blackie's millionaire owner passed away, he left £7 million to his cat. Blackie became the richest cat in history. Fact 6. Cats walk like camels and giraffes. Cats, camels and giraffes all have a unique walking pattern, moving both right legs and then both left legs at the same time.
The pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, jam to the bat, put me in the ring.
Fact 7. Isaac Newton invented the cat door. While working at Cambridge, Sir Isaac Newton is said to have invented the cat door to avoid his cats interrupting his experiments. Fact 8. A cat went to space in 1963. Felicette, also known as Astrocat, was the first and only cat to go to space. A truly brave feline astronaut.
Go out in a bag, 'cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know.
Fact 9. Ancient Egyptians shaved their eyebrows for their cats. In ancient Egypt, when a pet cat passed away, family members would shave their eyebrows to mourn their loss. Fact 10. House cats share 95.6% of their DNA with tigers. Believe it or not, your house cat has much in common with a tiger. They share over 95% of their genetic makeup. Wow, who knew cats were so fascinating, right? If you enjoyed learning these fun facts, be sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.